Hello guys, welcome back. In this lecture, I want to apologize for a mistake that I made in the connections template of members controller, and the mistake is related to the mutual connections count. Okay, here you can see that I am on the connections page of currently signed in user, and here we can see list of all the connected users along with the mutually connected users count, and this is working fine at all. But the problem occurs when you see connections list of other user. Okay, for example, let's click on any user with three mutual connection. For example, let's click on this Metron Nolan. Okay, when you click on this user, here you will see that it is showing five connection and three mutual connections. Okay, now let's click on its connection link. So when you click on the five connection, here you will see that it is showing that with current user it has 18 mutual connections. Okay, and on the current users connections page you will see that this user is showing three mutual connections. Okay, so this is a bug, and if you wish you can see other user as well. Let me show you. So go to the last page. Okay, and in the last page you will see that with this user, this current user has no mutual connection, but when you go to this user's profile and go click on the one connection, here you will see that it is showing you 18 mutual connections. Okay, so this is the problem, and this is not supposed to be happen. Okay, so we need to fix this. Now let me show you the location where I made this mistake. So let's open the connections.html.erb. So go to the project directory first and open the connections.html.erb. Here you can see that what I'm doing, mutual connection count is equal to current user dot mutually connected IDs. Okay, and then count. Here is the problem, because both the user object and current user are the same here. Okay, now let's open the user model to see the mutually connected IDs instance method. Okay, so go to the user model. Here you can see that in the user model we have this method that is mutually connected IDs. Okay, here you can see that to fetch the mutually connected users, we are performing the intersection between connected user IDs of current user and other user, and this will causing the glitch. Okay, when user and current user both are the same. Okay, because in this case you will get the connected user IDs of current user as intersection will give only common values. Okay, so to fix this glitch we need to make a check whether current user and the at the rate user, I mean this at the rate user. For example, let me open the members controller. Here you can see that in this connections action we need to check that if the current user and this user object in the connections template are not the same user object. Okay, so now we need to display the mutual connection count based on the conditional output. Okay, so let's add the condition in the connections.html. So what we need to do here, first copy this line, in fact cut this line, and here we need to check if current user not equal to at the rate user is not equal to at the rate user. Okay, if this condition returns true, then we need to call mutually connected IDs instance method with at the rate user object. Okay, so in this condition what you need to do here, you need to change this user object to at the rate user. Okay, else you need to copy you need to call it as it is. Okay, so just add the else part here, and this else part, and now within the else you just need to use the previous line that we have before this. Okay, and that's it. Now save the connections template and save it and go to the browser and refresh the page. So switch to the browser, and if you refresh the page now, here you will see that it is not showing any mutual connections. Okay, and if you go to the other tab where it is showing that 18 mutual connections, and if you refresh the page now, here you will see the exact mutual connections count, that is three mutual connections. Okay, and that's it from this lecture. Please follow this lecture and fix the tweak at your end as well, and I'm really sorry for the mistake that I made. Okay, so thanks for watching this, and we will meet into the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, and stay safe.